Welcome back to White Pine Woods. We're here working on the garage barn build again today. The goal for today is get the tin on the roof, so I'll take you along. I got my brother here and my nephew, I guess he is, my cousin's son Chris, you've seen in other videos, and we're going to try to get as much up as we can. The good news is it's September, it's about 65 degrees, beautiful weather in New England, the leaves are starting to change. This is such a relief from when we were building the barn. It was the middle of summer and it was 95 degrees and humid. This is like awesome. So let's see how far we get today. You want a Sharpie?
Well, I would put a piece of 2x4, short one, and you run across that way. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
I love the look of it though. Glad I went with this stuff. Thank you. Yeah, it goes right in the vat. It wants to go right in there. So that's why I did it, because now the roofing wants to go over there. Right? You want to pull it over like an inch. A little bit more. Here, look at the end of this and you'll get oh, you can't see it out on the fascia. I want to be right there. So you're going to be, you got a tape measure on you? The edge, this edge to there is an inch. How you feeling, Chris? Good?
Yeah.
How many pieces we got on? Like 8, 9?
Something like that.
Here's closure. I need closure. Do that afterwards. Chris put this on the side more.
Huh?
Chris put this more to on the side than on the top, which I don't think it matters, but it's a 2-inch overhang at this point.
All right.
I believe so. Okay, so we ran out of the butyl tape this morning, and Todd and I were just filling in all the screw holes, and we sent Chris to go. I have some butyl tape left over from a big job that I had done 8 years ago now. I had a whole case of butyl tape left over. So hopefully that's still in good shape. It's been stored indoors all these years, so Chris went to go get that, and then hopefully we're good. If not, I guess we're gonna go without it. I mean, all the times I've put roofing on, it's been the other kind where you got like a rib and then 9 inches and then a rib. I've never used butyl tape, so I don't know. It seems like a good extra layer of protection. So I just figured out that we don't have enough material, so disappointing. So we're going to use some of the long ones they're supposed to go on the back for the front, so that we do have enough for the front, so you don't see a seam in the front. All right, let me explain that a little better about the shortage. So we got towards the end of the roof in the back here and realized that we were a couple pieces shy of material, and what I think happened was I gave the dimensions of the roof to the place I bought it at Lowe's. It's 38 feet, and these things are 25 inches wide, but the coverage you get, because you overlap 2 of these, is only 22 inches. So what we decided to do was, so that we wouldn't have a seam on the front of the barn when you drive up, there won't be a seam there, we're using 2 of the sheets from the back on the front. So I've got to cut them. I've got one of them on here now, and I've got to cut this down to 13'9". They're both over 14 feet. So we'll use those on the front, and then I'll just use the stuff they stock at the store. I think the longest you can get is 12 foot. So maybe I can get 10s, I don't know. It'll be 3 courses, so there'll be 2 seams, but it'll be on the back of the roof. Nobody will see it. It'll be fine. So I'm a little disappointed. We were short, several pieces of roofing. There were no screws. I had to buy screws elsewhere. I had some screws, but I had to buy screws somewhere else. They shipped about half the sealant tape we needed. Luckily, I had some of that. I'm not very impressed. got a good system going, a good rhythm. We'll bring it back later. We'll see how far we get today. Okay, so that's it. Pretty happy with the progress. We got most of the tin on. We've got that one little piece on the front. I've got to rip a piece. I've got one piece off that. And I've got 9 pieces to put still on the back. That's where they shorted is that metal. So I'm going to fix some more up. Get the back finished up, and then I've got trim for the rake on both sides. It'll lap over the roof and onto the fascia, and then of course the ridge cap, and then it will be done. So hopefully I can get it done in the next few days. I'll take you along for that. Again, thanks for watching the video. If you like our videos, you want to follow along in our home build, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, share them with your friends, drop me a comment if you have any suggestions or questions, and we'll see you next time from White Pine Woods.